Welcome back to Lux Auto X. Today, we bring you something truly groundbreaking: Toyota's all-new luxury motorhome. An absolute powerhouse on wheels built for those who demand the finest. Even on the road, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving 5-star suite wrapped in futuristic design and loaded with advanced features. Finished in a premium glossy black paint with aggressive orange and silver streak graphics, this Toyota motorhome instantly commands attention. At the front, it features a bold chrome-accented grille with integrated LED headlights, sharp DRLs, and a large panoramic windshield for maximum visibility and road presence. Side mirrors are replaced by cameras, adding to the streamlined profile. It rides on polished 22-inch alloy wheels and boasts 6 rear wheels for added stability. And load distribution. The automatic slide-out panels extend at the press of a button, offering expanded interior space when parked. Powering this massive vehicle is a hybrid V8 powertrain, combined with Toyota's eDrive system, delivering around 600 horsepower. Despite its size, it's remarkably smooth and whisper quiet, thanks to active noise cancellation tech and adaptive air suspension. It also includes a 4-wheel steering system, regenerative braking, and solar panels on the roof for energy-efficient off-grid capability. Driving this motorhome feels more like piloting a luxury yacht. Inside, the motorhome offers a 2-floor layout. The lower level features a spacious lounge with diamond-stitched leather sofas, a retractable 65-inch-old smart TV, and an integrated surround sound system. The kitchen area comes with an induction cooktop, built-in refrigerator, microwave, and a hidden dishwasher, all controlled by a central touchscreen panel. Premium wood paneling, marble-style flooring, and ambient lighting set the mood. The upper floor is accessed via an illuminated spiral staircase and houses a luxurious master bedroom with a king-size memory foam bed, full-length windows with smart tinting, and even a skylight above the bed. The ensuite bathroom includes a rainfall shower, heated floors, a vanity mirror with touch control, and ceramic finishes that rival any high-end apartment. Toyota has packed this motorhome with smart safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras and emergency braking. Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and a dedicated air purifier make it ideal for long-distance luxury travel. With a price tag starting around $450,000, this Toyota motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Make sure to subscribe to Lux Auto X for more insane automotive luxury. And let us know, would you hit the road in this rolling mansion? This video contains AI-generated visuals and audio created for informational and entertainment purposes only.